After all, instant noodles are not hygienic, it only takes a few minutes to enjoy, so-called magic ramen. Easy to prepare and cheap, nearly 290 million people eat instant noodles every day. The first thing to start is the production process of the ramen seasoning package. The hygiene is strictly controlled, and even ultraviolet disinfection is required. Pour soy sauce, bean paste and other ingredients into the blender, and then add spices of different flavors. High-temperature heating is required to fully mix the various materials. Then pour the mixed liquid seasoning into the tray. These thick, dark liquids are the main function of seasoning. Immediately after that, put the off pan into the dryer for 24 hours, and the seasoning liquid after drying becomes like this. Then put the dried seasonings into a blender, and grind them thoroughly into a fine powder. At this time, the seasoning of instant noodles is finished, and the next step is to make the seasoning bag. Put the mixed seasoning powder into the packaging machine. With the rotation of the machine, the seasoning powder accurately falls into the mold, and then enters the packaging bag in turn, and then smoothly enter the frame through the sealing machine through the conveyor belt. The other side is starting to make noodles. Pour the wheat and flour into the machine and start stirring. While stirring, add the mixture of water and eggs, and stir well and evenly until the appropriate consistency. Then move the material to the pasta machine. The rolling machine presses the wheat into a 15 cm thick dough, and then the dough is kneaded into rolls through a special pressing grinder. Immediately after the rolls are transferred to the steamer, the noodles are steamed at a high temperature of 204 degrees Fahrenheit, and then continue to be transferred to the noodle cutter, where the noodles are cut into uniform lengths, placed in the mold accurately, and that they are deep fried in 305 degrees Fahrenheit oil to form square-shaped patties. The cakes are transported through the machine to the cooler, where they are ready to be packaged. Each noodle cake is equipped with a bag of seasoning bags, and then goes through the bagging machine to seal, pack and transfer the bag. Move the instant noodles to the inspection machine, and check whether the bag is qualified by X-ray, so that the instant noodles are manufactured. It can be sent to workers in major supermarkets to buy and enjoy. After watching the instant noodle making process, although it is clean and hygienic, it is not nutritious, and everyone should eat as little as possible.